Meet the MFQS 5100-50 CarryMax full deck quad steer 50 by 100 inches 5,000 pound capacity. Jtec's CarryMax heavy duty trailers are perfect for transporting heavy loads throughout or in between facilities. The proven rugged design has extremely low maintenance and is 100% field serviceable to minimize downtime. The CarryMax product line can transport loads from 3,000 to 20,000 pounds and support both indoor and outdoor applications. The MFQS 5100-50 has a 50 by 100 inch deck with a 1-inch lip all the way around for load retainment. It can be pulled in standard routes of 1 to 4 trailers depending on route conditions. The quad steer design creates superior tracking in transit that turns all 4 8x3 casters into the turn to attain tight turning capabilities required to navigate narrow aisles. These heavy-duty trailers offer spring-leveled flip-up style tongues with a standard 2-inch ball and coupler connection or lunette ring connection that creates a quiet and smooth follow path. Our CarryMax heavy-duty trailers are built to last and help you optimize efficiency and productivity in your material handling routes. To learn more, reach out and have an account manager contact you today.